Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually enable the apt suggestions in your ZSH the feature that you get in bash. For example, in ZSH, if you type the name of any package, maybe anything like flake and then you can see that the command not found. ZSH replies that. But if you do this thing in bash, then you can see that bash by default show us a suggestion to install this package. To get this kind of feature in ZSH, what you can do is, first of all, you need to install a package. The solution is very simple. You need to install this package, apt install. The name of the package is command not found. All right. So I already have it. You people can also have it already, but it might not be enabled in your ZSH. To enable this feature in ZSH, what you need to do is to source this file. To source this echo, using this echo command, you can actually write this command in and append it in your .zshrc. After doing it, you need to restart your ZSH shell. By doing it, now you can see that ZSH is also showing you the default suggestion to install that package. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.